All right, so this one might be a fast one, guys. I'm on 36th Avenue and McDowell right now. So when I looked at my battery, it says I only have 44% charge and like 20 minutes of space memory. There you go, 20 minutes of memory. So let's try to do this video real quick, man. Should I ride here on the street? Look at this, Hannah. What's she doing? What's up? What are you doing? Pretty good? Yeah?
Yeah.
Just washing your clothes?
Yeah.
That's cool, man. This where you always wash it or what?
No.
Yeah.
Going by right here.
Oh yeah. Do all these work the same? You could all, nah?
Some of them don't work at all. Some of them they have locked up. Some of them people just bust off, but they all fucking spray like that.
Yeah.
They got massive power. A lot of water.
Hmm.
Some of them are actually even hot.
Oh, are they?
Down on 32nd Street.
Yeah.
And Broadway. That bitch is hot.
You go down there too?
Oh yeah. I'm all over the valley.
Hey, what happened to you right here by your head? You got a bump.
Yeah, I got fucking bit.
You got bit by what? Let me see.
Fucking.
Is it a spider? Let me see. Just turn it. Oh yeah, you need to go to the doctor for that.
It's already bitter.
Oh yeah? It was worse?
My eye was black and blue and everything.
Oh yeah?
How couldn't you see out of my eye?
Woo! So it's going down already.
Fucking way better.
Man.
Way better.
All right, man. You take care.
You remember doing that interview with me or no?
Yeah. I thought you looked familiar.
Yeah.
What's up? How you been?
I've been alright.
Oh, you got one in the back of your head too.
Actually, I don't know if it's spider bite or if it's
Hey.
or if it's drugs, to be honest.
Oh man. Well, I'll be back. I'm going down to that bum alley down there.
Where's that?
Right here on 35th, where everybody hangs out.
35th and what?
Right here, right behind that carniceria, the smoke shop and all that stuff.
What street?
I don't know. Oh, but right behind the strip club.
See, I just really came over in this area last night.
Yeah, you could go down there on 35th and then go towards the strip club. Right behind it, there's an alley full of people. I'm gonna go over there. You take care. Yeah, man. I don't know what she has on her head, but that doesn't look good. What up? It don't look good at all. It might be staph infection. I'm not trying to. See, that's the thing. When you're out here and you're dealing with people, you can't get too close. You can't be, man, dude. Now that I think about it, I'm like, damn, dude. I might have to dab fools up, you know? Like, I'm not trying to shake hands anymore. It's crazy. Did you guys see what she had all over her head? Big old bumps. She said she was just getting better too. Está cabrón. Am I rolling? All right, we're still rolling. Yeah, the battery said it had 44% juice. These GoPro batteries suck, man. What do you guys think about the DJI Action Pro? Is that any better? I was thinking about getting one of those Action Pros. And because the guy that I watch that does this in LA, he takes video with that thing and it comes out looking nice, man. Really nice. Damn, it's ugly around here. Look at that fool. Nice little go-kart, homie. You need to put a motor on that. Yeah. Make that shit go fast. Where'd you come up on that? Huh? Simón. Oh, sí. ¿Es lo que le vas a hacer?
Sí, por eso.
Oye.
Lo tiene mi compa, lo fue tirado. Le dije, ¿sabes qué? Dámelo a mí.
Órale.
Y luego ponemos motor aquí, mire.
This was gonna tweak on it.
Y tiene para la cadena ya listo.
Órale.
Tenemos motorito acá y qué tanto. Y ponerlo en fierro.
Simón.
Ay, perdón, verá.
Órale. ¿Cuánto vas a durar para hacer eso?
Si yo quiero, lo hago ahorita como nomás.
¿Ya tienes el motor?
Ya tengo el motor ya.
Oh,
listo,
sí.
Ya, no, listo ya nomás para ponerlo ya. Sí, güey.
Crazy.
Un día le terminó todo completito.
¿Vas a andar en chinga en él?
Sí, güey.
Órale pues. Cuídate, bro. Yeah, that was, he's on a mission right now. He said he was gonna put a motor on that thing. And I'm right there egging, is it called egging them on? No, I'm right there encouraging them too. I'm like, yeah, you can put a motor on this. Man, that's crazy. ¿Qué huele? Gracias, muchas gracias. Look at this alley right here. Everybody's listening to music right here. They be partying. Is he friendly? ¿Qué huele? Look at this, is the alley that I wanted to show you guys. Sometimes I don't even want to be coming like that because if it's not one of those dudes that tries to get crazy, it's the dogs, man. Dogs go after you. ¿Qué onda, compa? ¿Se vio una bicicleta o qué? You found the bike?
No, esa es mía, nomás que se le reventó el este.
Oh, sí.
Y esa me la vendieron en $5.
No tiene llanta enfrente.
¿Cuál?
Esa. ¿$5?
Sí, nomás le puse la llanta.
Oh, ok. Esta es eléctrica. Electric bike.
¿Es esa?
¿Eh?
¿Es usted?
Es estas mías, sí. La acabo de comprar.
¿Oh, sí?
Hace como un mes.
¿Cuánto le costó?
Uf, casi $2,000, compa. Almost 2,000.
Madre, no manches.
Yeah, they're expensive. Tan caras.
Va con una, pues una moto.
Pero esta, mira, no tienes ni que darle con los pedales.
Toda mal.
Yeah.
Una moto, pues una moto.
Yeah, almost a motorcycle. Yeah, you don't even have to pedal, I told him. He's like, shh, that's a lot of money. Everybody notices this bike right away. I think it's because of the fat wheels. Let's go through here. We're gonna have to go back through the alley right now. Oh yeah. Yeah, am I still rolling? We rolling? Yeah, we rolling. Keep rolling, rolling, rolling. I wanted to start some conversations over there with those vatos, with those paisas. But see, the thing is that I gotta be more careful with vatos, because you know, if it's a fucking, if we get into combat, homie, you know, you never know. Hand-to-hand combat. This area right here is more like paisa area. Just in case you guys were wondering. That's why you see more of the Latinos that don't speak English. This area is more, you know, right here's the table, the lady dancers. I don't know if I could say strip club. Yeah, maybe I can. Let's go back through. Yeah. Maybe I should have just act like a tweaker too. Should act like I was going in that trash can. I bet you these fools, these paisas at the shop be getting all kinds of services. Am I rolling? Yeah, we still rolling. Yeah, I was trying to get that alley for a long time, but it actually looks a lot cleaner right now. It's just that all these cops, they've been hitting these areas, so they've been telling everybody to get on. Is there anything down there? Nope. Let's take a ride through these apartments right here. Look at all the trash is still there though. Look at all that trash. Crazy, huh? All these foods could be gone, but they'll leave all that trash and the city won't do anything about it. Let me go in through here. See what's cracking over here. What up? Oh shit, look, they still have a pool right here. I wonder how much they charge here. Should I go in there and ask? Would you guys move into this? ¿Dónde está la oficina, oiga? En la esquina. ¿Sí sabe cuánto cobran aquí?
1500.
1500 por una dos recámaras.
De una no sé.
¿Y tienen los biles pagados o no?
No, la luz nomás.
Oh, ok, nomás la luz.
Sí, ahí donde está esa puerta blanca.
Ok.
Ahí está la oficina.
¿Tendrán apartamentos que pueda haber?
Sí,
Sí, ok. 1400, 1500 for a 2-bedroom. Buenas tardes. ¿Tiene apartamentos de renta?
Sí, tenemos apartamentos de 2 cuartos con un baño.
¿Y a cuánto están?
¿De cuál usted quiere?
De 2 recámaras.
Ok, el de 2 recámaras lo tenemos en 1249 en un segundo piso.
Ok.
Pero tenemos promoción ahora.
Ajá.
Thanksgiving. Vamos a ver el apartamento. Si
Ok.
le gusta, yo le mando la aplicación.
Okay.
por
Okay. Let's go see the apartment real quick. I hope I have enough video for this or enough battery. ¿Cómo está aquí el lugar? ¿Está bien o está medio?
¿Lugar?
Sí.
Bueno, yo llevo aquí un mes.
Oh, sí.
Estamos tratando.
¿Usted vive aquí también?
No,
No.
estamos arreglándolo todo lo más que puedo. Hoy vamos a arreglar el gate.
Okay. ¿Es arriba?
Sí, ya yo lo tengo. ¿Ustedes necesitan algo?
Let's go to the top. I guess it's gonna be the top unit. So I'm gonna have to.
¿Lo puedes dejar ahí? Sí.
No, esta está bien carísima. Es de $2000. Ah, sí, me la llevo. Esta es eléctrica. See that? That's the good thing about electric bikes. You can take them wherever. I'm not risking it getting taken down there.
Ay, que lo vi.
Sí.
Va a pasar trabajo.
No, las eléctricas están mejor. Y luego esta vale como $2000. Pero es mejor que traer un carro. So, this one is a 2-bedroom?
Este, 2 bedroom, 1 bathroom.
2-bedroom bath.
Okay.
Does it have a light or no?
No.
Oh,
we
okay.
don't like here. Electricity.
1400 or 1300, huh?
Yeah, most of that.
This 1 bedroom. Okay. Yeah, a nice view of the pool. Second bedroom. Not too bad. For 1300, pues no está muy mal. Está más o menos.
Tengo uno un poquito más grande.
Oh, sí.
Necesito pintarlo y todo eso.
So es 1300 arriba o 1250.
1249.
Son
A eso le
1250.
agrega los taxis que serían 30 y pico de pesos.
Ok.
Y se le agrega lo que es los utilities al final del mes, lo que es
Oh.
el agua, el desagüe,
Ok.
pero eso es al final del mes.
Ok.
Y la electricidad sí es de usted.
¿Y los de abajo? Pero los de abajo no tienen nada.
No,
Oh, they don't have no bottom ones. Okay.
I'm sorry.
Okay. ¿No hay una de esta para acá? Okay. I'm gonna have to go that way.
Ok,
Porque para to turn it, it's gonna be a mission.
ok, tenga cuidado
Yeah.
al bajar. Entonces, ¿quiere que le mande la aplicación de este?
Sí, mándemela.
Y así-
Este es el que está de rent right now.
Sí.
Okay.
This is rent ready.
Okay.
Tengo el del otro lado como estos que son más grandes,
Mhm.
pero no están pintados. No tengo.
Oh, okay. Los tienen que pintar. Still have to paint them. All right.
Okay.
All right.
Sorry.
Well, thank you. It's all
You're
good.
welcome.
Thank you. I
Okay.
appreciate it. I always pass through here and I'm curious. I'm like, I wonder how much they charge right there. Because I seen some over there on 27th Avenue in Indian School and they're ugly. And they want like 1,600. And some of them are one bedrooms.
These ones are beautiful.
Yeah.
I love them.
Oh, these right here across?
Yeah, but it's on that way. It's
Oh,
the
okay.
same as 2 bedroom, 2 bathroom,
Mm-hmm.
and they are the only one that have storage.
Oh, okay.
You see that door? That is in the storage.
Oh,
outside
okay.
the bedroom. It's only these 4 and those 4. But
Oh.
I have the 2 and second floor. We have empty at this vacant at this moment. So, but we need to paint it.
Oh, okay. All
Both
right.
of them.
Okay.
I'm going to work on that to put it in the market.
That's good. Well, 1,300 ain't that bad. Not for this area. I mean, I don't know how it is at night here, but I know.
It's not no es muy revoltoso,
Yeah.
pero hay homeless.
Oh,
Es
okay.
por eso que estoy trabajando para cerrar el gate y vamos a poner un corte.
Un code. Oh, okay.
Con armas y todo.
Okay.
Pero lo he controlado después que vine para acá.
Okay.
He hecho una guerra abierta.
¿Qué, cómo?
Que he hecho una guerra abierta.
Oh, okay.
Ya.
Yeah, but you guys are controlling everything that
Yeah.
happens. And that's good, man. All right. Pues, I appreciate you
Thank
for
you.
showing me. Thank you. All right. I'll be back.
Okay.
Let's see if I could get down right here. At least she was honest, you know. It's not the best area, but it ain't the worst, you know. I wonder if I could ride down. I don't want to. If I would ride my bicycle down this thing, I know I would eat shit, man. Bam, bam, bam. Look, and I would have to avoid that right there. All right. So I got a little apartment review. Usually it's not that easy. Usually you have to make an appointment, talk to somebody, give them all your information, blah, blah, blah. But this lady was pretty cool, man. La señorota. I guess for the top apartments it's $1,250, and then plus sewer or whatever, it's like another 30 bucks. So $1,300 at the end of the day, you know. Not bad. I mean, this area is not the greatest though. You're always gonna be right next to Bluehead's bums and all this, and then you have the Bluehead alley back here. But as long as you're strapped or you don't go out there, you should be good. All right, guys, so that's gonna be it for this one. If you like this kind of content, make sure and give me a like so you could toss me back in the algorithm, man. And share this video. I'll see you guys a rato. Peace.